building on Monday, just as a reminder of your shadow status. You have a question?
Bartley. I work in student services, so it's just to the left of here, and that way we're to the right when you first come in. We understand that you guys come here, you guys have something specific in mind, you guys all want to be successful in your trades, and starting that is starting with communication, right? Make sure that we're accessible so that we can communicate with you guys and get everything sorted out. All right, makes sense?